Hello and welcome to your Daily 5. My name is Greg Harmon. I'll be your host today. I'm the founder of Dragonfly Capital Management. At Dragonfly Capital, we manage separate accounts for clients, trading mainly options and stock, using technical analysis to come up with our ideas. We also sell a newsletter for those that want to do it themselves. Today, I want to share with you my 5 charts with a theme of dressing up the market. We're heading into the election next week. We want to look good for the election. We would like the market to look good too. And there are some charts in the market that are starting to look good. Let me share these with you now. The first chart I have here is L Brands. L Brands, you probably know them as Victoria's Secret and other companies involved as well. Went through that same market downturn that everything did in March, bounced around for a while, but since August has been on a steady trend moving higher. We can see this rising trend support. We can see higher highs as we go along and higher lows, strong parallel almost moving average lines, and an RSI that's been holding strong in the bullish zone. A good one to take a look at. So we start with the base layer, the underwear, as you would say, and start moving along. So we've got ourselves partially dressed now. The next chart I have here is Levi's. We've got to put some pants on now, right? So Levi's been bouncing around since the March drop to an April low, came back again to test that high again, to test the level at the 200-day moving average in June, a pullback into that high volume zone, and now back at that top again from June. What's significant about that now? It's over the 200-day moving average. We see the 50-day moving average coming up. We're going to get a golden cross here in a week or so. That's a very bullish sign. We've got the RSI is pulled back from being overbought and is starting to turn back up again. And we're starting to see some support here on the in this little shallow pullback with the market moving more, but support at the 20-day moving average. So this is one we want to keep an eye on as well and look to potentially buy on a move here over 17. So what's next? We need some tops. And Gap stores seems to be the place to go to get that. After some consolidation there through April and May, and a little testing at the 200-day moving average through June, the stock of the company has been moving upward in a channel ever since. And as of the start of October, made it back over that February highs that it was. So a stock that's been in trouble for a long time and is now looking like it's finally making an intermediate higher high with positive indicators as well, with the RSI holding here in the bullish zone and the MACD holding up as well. So we're almost all dressed now. But we need some shoes. Love them or not, Crocs have been moving to new all-time highs. This crazy footwear company has been flying since June. Rising trend. You can see that support has been just almost exactly along the 50-day moving average. Strong, constant trend. Getting a little bit into overbought territory, but not extreme. And doing some great things, it seems. Partnerships with Post Malone. We've got some of those, whatever you call those things that you stick in the holes from Travis Scott. Good things going on here. Good stock chart to follow it up with as well. Final stock that I wanted to talk about in this theme is StitchFix. And StitchFix has had an even better story than Crocs since coming off of the March lows. A broader channel and rising to the top of that channel over the last month and a half, possibly showing signs of being a little bit extended as we see that it's getting pretty far away from the 50-day moving average, but still strong momentum with an RSI up here a little bit into overbought territory and MACD pushing up to new highs. This stock has new highs written all over it, is continuing to push up higher, and is one to keep an eye on. A little bit outside of the theme in that we are no longer going shopping at stores anymore, but looking for it at home, and probably a little bit different clothing style than the others that I've mentioned here today. So limited brands as the base unit, Levi's to cover up the limited brand stuff, Gap stores, especially now with the new Yeezy collaborations about to happen, Crocs for the feet, and if that's not enough for us, we can always order more online from StitchFix. Now you're ready for the election. That's my Daily 5. Thanks for watching.
Hey, Grayson Rose here with StockCharts. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, consider giving it a like down below, maybe leave us a comment, and if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe at the link up above. We're gonna bring you daily content from an incredible collection of technical analysts and financial experts.